In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can order on Shein from Canada. Now to get started, you can simply use the search bar to search for an item that you want, or you can browse by category. So let's select curve to get started. Here I'm just going to select this beautiful dress here. Select the color that you want. So let's go with green. Select your size and then select add to cart. To check out, go to your cart by selecting it. Then at the bottom of the screen, select checkout. At the top is your shipping address. So you can add a new shipping address if you wish, or you can edit the existing one. So I'm going to select step back. Select your shipping method. You can choose between standard or express shipping. Then scroll down and select your payment method. For this demonstration, I'm going to select credit/debit card. If you have a gift card, select gift card, enter the card number and PIN and select apply. Then step back. Then you simply select place order. So here you're just going to enter your card number, expire date, CVV, then scroll down, then select next, and then you'll select place order to complete your purchase. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.